Buying a used car in Texas can be pretty straightforward once you know what's required. The process is a little different depending on whether you buy from a dealer or directly from another person. If you buy from a dealer, they handle the title application for you. That means you don't need to go to the tax office yourself. What you do need to do is make sure they give you a receipt showing the car has been titled in your name. If you're buying from an individual, it's a good idea to go together to the county tax office. That way, a representative can confirm the title is correct and check if there are any legal or salvage issues attached to the car. You can also run a quick title check online before buying, just to be safe. From the seller, you should receive a signed vehicle title, a completed application for Texas title and registration, which is Form 130U, and any supporting paperwork like a line release if there was a loan on the car. Keep a written record of the sale too. Write down the seller's name, address, the date of sale, and the car's VIN number. Texas law requires you to transfer the title into your name within 30 days. Waiting longer can lead to late fees. You'll also need to show proof of liability insurance when you register the car. If you don't have insurance yet, you can apply for title only, but you won't be able to register or legally drive until you're insured. Sometimes you'll also need a vehicle inspection report. This shows proof of either a safety inspection or an emissions test, depending on where you live. For most non-commercial cars, only certain counties in Texas require emissions tests, but all commercial vehicles must pass a full inspection no matter what. That's all there is to it.